Hey guys, Lance Thompson teacher here. I'm going to go over the SRX levels today. Another really good day. If you see on this first one, got a break and retest signal right off the bat. Levels come out at 8:50. And we got a break and retest on SPY at 9 o'clock. And you're going to enter right as the end of the candle closes here. You can see it just dropped down immediately. This is a really good one. I bought a contract at 2.7, 678 put, and then I sold it at 3.65. So that's a $95 gain on just one contract, and I was in it for 11 minutes. Let me see. First one. All right, let's look at the second one here. This is actually the same trade confirmation. So break and retest at 9 o'clock, enter at 2.7, close at 3.65, all in about 10 minutes. So another trade I took in IWM, entered in at 10:05, 6 contracts at 0.9. I closed 2 at 0.95. At this point, I moved my stop to 0.9 on the other 4 contracts. This was a guaranteed profit at that point. Took 2 more at 0.99s, over 10%, and then 2 more at 0.98. This was the runner contracts. I just kept moving my runner up. If the market would have kept dropping, would have made even more. Now, this was a really good trading day, as you could see. This is the break and retest right at 9. I would have entered in at this red line here at the end of the break and retest. And if you're a swing trader, you could take it all the way down to the S2 level right here. You could have bought a put at 679 or so. Could have taken it down to 676. So it's a 3-point swing in SPY in a pretty short time frame, only about 15 minutes. It was a second one around 12 o'clock Central. So a lot of signals for break and retests and EMAs. You could have pretty much taken any of these. If you would have taken the first one here at around the 680, that would have dropped all the way down to 677.45 or so. So that's another $3.50 swing. Then a third time, you could see around 2 o'clock Central, we got a break, retested down, and then you could enter the puts here around 680. Could have taken another $3 or so trade there. There was no real up candles here. Could have easily taken it all the way down here to make it work. And this one, you could have got a smaller profit if you want to lock it in on this candle here, but you still would have entered around 681 and maybe close around 680. Still make a good profit on all these as well. So same idea for QQQ. If you look at 850 right here, we got a lot of EMA down signals. Could have entered in the Qs at around 602.50 or so. Could have taken it all the way down. There was no real candles to get you out of it. All the way to 595. That was a 7-point gain on Qs. And if you waited again until 12 o'clock, take it around 600 again. Could have went down to the 597, $3 gain or so. And then even here, EMA down, maybe 600. Could have taken it down to 597. There were no real up candles to get you out of it. And then again, another break and retest, very similar to SPY, around 2 o'clock Central. Could have taken around 601. No up candles. Could have taken it all the way down to 596. Lastly, let's look at IWM. Many times IWM has a little bit different setups than SPY and QQQ. Today is just a down day in general for a lot of tickers. EMA down again, 905 or so. Could have taken IWM at 259, 260 or so. Might have gotten out here on a scalp at 259.18. If you're swing trading, you could have taken it down to the 257. Got another really good EMA here at 1150 central. Could have entered into the candle around 258, taking it all the way down to 256 or so. 2-point gain on IWM. All really good trades. If you see on my trades for today, I took 4 trades. They were all winners. Made $192 off a $2,000 account, which is almost 10% of my account in a day. 4.05 to 4.34. This was the big gain that I showed before. 2.7 to 3.65. 35% winner. Got another 6.6% winner. 7.7% winner as well. I'm going to add 192 to my current value. So 192 plus 2768, so 86, 2978. This was with a $2,000 account that I started on Friday last week. So just from Friday to now, I'm up $978 off the $2,000. That's almost a 50% return on this account in just 1 week. And this more than pays for the monthly fee for the SRX levels. So if you're interested in joining, we have a lot of members joining as well. Click the link in the description down below. If you enjoy this video, and leave any comments or questions that you have. And I'll see you guys on the next one.